Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. Apologies if you can hear the piano out in the hallway playing, but it's fun and it just adds to the ambiance. So, today's topic is all about a piece of equipment that I no longer have. I know, isn't that crappy? It is so crappy to say that, but it's true. It's my favorite lens. Today's topic is all about my favorite lens. And my favorite lens, I had one when I was sponsored by Minolta. And when Minolta went hasta la bye-bye and I went to Canon for like 15 plus years, I had one when I was on Canon. I have something similar, but it's not the same for Leica. And that is a fisheye lens. I freaking love using the fisheye lens. I love using the fisheye lens. It is amazing. It is so dope. It's fun because it's like that Limp Bizkit 90s look, which I used on a ton of bands and Limp Bizkit, including for different shoots and the whole 90s skater videos and all that stuff. I'm on a wobbly chair, so I'm kind of like wibble wobble. And it was just dope. And then I incorporated it into my portraits. And I did one for the late Brian Bell. I did one for Netagana, Brian Smith, T-Bone Productions, Eastpak Backpacks, AJ Jackson for Eastpak Backpacks. Oh my gosh, the list goes on and on and on. And I would use it then, incorporate it for like portrait shoots and then weddings, and just the energy and the excitement and the distortion in those particular camera lenses is redonkulous. Absolutely fat, fresh, freaking badass. Like just, ooh. And they don't make one for Leica, or at least I haven't found one yet that's good. Sigma might have one, but I'm just not a fan of the speed on Sigma because like with Minolta, it was boom, just banging. I could shoot X Games. I could shoot so many different exports with it. And then with Canon, it was the same thing. It was lightning fast. I mean, like lightning fast. They don't have something like that I have found yet for Leica. If you know of something, please share it with me, please. I beg of you, please. What about you guys? What do you use? What's your favorite lens? Don't be like, I'm a Canon shooter. It's 85 1.2. I mean, like, seriously, what is your favorite lens? And, share it downstairs in the kilt zone. The kilt zone coming to you live by DJ ESQ. Not to be brought by DJ Flavor Saver. That's a whole other DJ. That's all I'm gonna say. Which, if you saw not Thanksgiving, the Valentine's Day episode video, then you got to get a little sample of DJ Flavor Saver. It's pretty hot. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. ASMR. All right, let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire. Forgot my name for a second. I was like, David Esquire, EPTV, blah, 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 blah. My gosh, that was so horrible. Let's start it over again. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPTV with another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times a bit weird. If you're following me on social platforms, thank you very much. If you're liking, commenting, and sharing, yay! Thank you very much. Like lots of thumb emojis and heart emojis, And if you're on YouTube and you're following me, yay! And if you are, then make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. See, call to action. Just told you what to do. And until next time, remember to do something and do it properly. Gotcha, Pope. Stay caffeinated, and I'll see you soon. Now, for reals now, like, seriously, like, what is your favorite lens? I so totally want to know, because, and if you guys know of any fisheyes that are, like, lightning fast for Leica, like, boom, like, so fast, let me know, because I ain't found one yet. Man, it's just like summertime. When I was back on the tracks, Louisiana, and the sun was beating down. on my Caucasian gluteus maximus. There's a story behind that, and I can't say it in video. So the next time you see me, I can share it with you in person. All right, bye. I'm out of here. Bye. EPTV. Oh, I'm sorry.